Building a retrieval-augmented generation pipeline for a codebase by dumping raw code chunks into a standard vector database is an operational trap. It leads to consistent token waste. Without structural awareness, an agent tasked with finding a specific dependency can find itself looping endlessly through terminal outputs, chasing blind references it cannot resolve. This exposes the semantic gap. Standard vector search relies on fuzzy mathematical proximity, but code is deterministic. Resolving a variable route or a syntax dependency requires precise structural routing, not conceptual closeness. This mathematical failure results in tangible symptoms. The context window floods with irrelevant files, and API costs escalate with every attempted query. Large language models require a specific retrieval architecture to navigate enterprise-scale repositories. The standard methods used for plain text are insufficient for the strict logic of a codebase. Relying on naive semantic search to navigate codebase logic is an architectural mismatch. It consumes compute and developer hours while consistently returning fragmented data. Addressing these inefficiencies requires a shift toward agentic RAG, a multi-layered retrieval pipeline designed for precision rather than broad matching. At the center of this pipeline is Claude Code, acting as an autonomous terminal orchestrator that manages specialized subagents. In this model, the codebase is a grid. Traditional search is a single light scanning randomly in the dark, performing blind text matching. An agentic system bypasses random scanning. It reads the metadata layer and maps exact coordinates, identifying structural relationships between modules. The pipeline is built on 4 layers: deterministic onboarding constraints, multi-format data ingestion, hybrid search re-ranking, and secure Docker sandboxing. Transitioning the model from a passive completion tool into an active, sandboxed orchestrator allows it to handle the complex queries required for large-scale codebase management. The architecture begins by establishing strict operational boundaries before any data is processed. This is achieved by placing a claude.md configuration file directly into the project's root directory. This file acts as a deterministic repository-level system prompt. It defines the architectural boundaries for the model's environment. Without these constraints, a standard language model can suffer from context drift, exploring irrelevant directories and losing focus on the primary query. The configuration specifies the rules of the environment, from restricted file paths to mandatory linting standards. These rigid, file-level guardrails prevent token bleed by stopping the agent from exploring dead-end logic paths before a query even executes. Once the boundaries are set, the pipeline must ingest and standardize the repository data. Extracting raw text from enterprise repositories typically strips away the hierarchy and structural context necessary for accurate reasoning. We use a parser like Docling to normalize disparate file types, including Markdown, PDF documentation, and raw code, into a consistent format. The parser isolates the core logic and structural hierarchy. Each file exits the system as a standardized block, tagged with a unique content hash. These hashes and metadata tags must be assigned at the source before the data is broken into smaller chunks. This normalization ensures the model understands the origin and file type of every snippet it encounters. Strictly managing metadata in this way prevents context hallucination as the data moves through the retrieval pipeline. The retrieval mechanism itself must address the limitations of relying purely on vector embeddings for code search. Keyword matching through BM25 is required to retrieve exact syntax, specific variable names, and function definitions. Vector search is still used, but its role is restricted to conceptual routing and identifying semantic intent. The challenge is reconciling results from 2 scoring systems, one ranked by keyword frequency, the other by semantic similarity. We solve this using reciprocal rank fusion, or RRF, which calculates a unified priority score based on the reciprocal of both lists. Only the top results from this mathematically verified list are fed into the model's context window. Hybrid search, powered by RRF, ensures that the most contextually relevant code chunks are the ones that consume tokens. After retrieval, the architecture moves into the execution environment. Claude Code utilizes a tool calling architecture to execute terminal commands directly within the repository. Because the agent is running scripts and queries, this system requires absolute containment to protect the host environment. We configure Docker containers to provide a secure sandbox for all agent operations. Within this container, Claude Code writes scripts or queries, tests them against the retrieved context, and validates the output. Sandboxed execution transforms the model into a secure development partner, capable of independent verification and self-correction. To see the impact of this architecture, we benchmarked a task, tracing and patching a deprecated API endpoint across multiple legacy modules. A naive retrieval system, relying only on standard vector search, failed to complete the task. It hallucinated file paths and exhausted its context window with terminal searches before finding the deprecated code. We ran the same task through the optimized agentic RAG stack. The system used the hybrid index to find the logic, verified the patch inside the Docker sandbox, and generated the fix. This visualization shows the result. On the left, the baseline system spikes in token usage. On the right, agentic RAG demonstrates minimal resource consumption. The optimized architecture achieved a 10-fold reduction in token burn compared to the naive baseline. The difference between naive and agentic RAG represents a significant operational advantage in how we scale codebase automation. Naive semantic search is insufficient for the deterministic requirements of software development. Implementing structural, agentic orchestration allows for the reliable retrieval of logic in complex repositories. For systems architects and engineers, the deployment blueprints and architecture schemas to build this pipeline are available in the repository below.